Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to use OBS, and it's really helpful. It's really good at recording videos. So here's how you use it. So first you want to go on the website and download it, obviously, OBS Studio. Choose whatever type you're using, and then you should be able to download it. Once you have it, open it up like here, and however, all you'll see is just this. Blankness. You can see. So to fix this, oh golly. So to fix this, what you want to do is you wanna add display capture to it. Now you will be able to see it correctly, and it will make sense, right? You can start seeing it, and it's really better now that way. Then you want to for more things you want to add audio input and audio output. This will hear the music from both the from like in the computer and what's out of it, if you know what I mean. So